So welcome to Studio Tour Quarantine Pause. So welcome to my new studio tour that we're having because of the pause. That's my dog Charlie. And a special thank you to all my patrons, who without your support this channel would not be possible. And if you haven't already, please think about becoming a patron and supporting the channel you love. Welcome to TechnoDadLife, and I thought I'd give you a little new studio tour. So basically I had to move all the stuff home from my office, and it's now here in my sunroom of my house. And this is Charlie over there. Charlie? There he is. And so Charlie is a great dog, and he's wondering why I'm home all the time. And so behind me, so I'm in basically our sunroom, and so it gets lots of light. So I actually had to block this off so you guys could see me. Otherwise, I was all washed out because of all the sunlight behind me. And so what I'll do is just give you, this is something people have asked for, but basically give you a little tour of what we have going on here. And so this is sort of like my setup in the office, only I'm using laptops. I have like 3 here instead of desktops. And I'll just show you everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my phone. So basically in front of me here, I have a couple laptops. So there's one. That one has Windows. This one has Ubuntu Mate. So there you can see it has Mate on it. And then also I have this iPad here. And this iPad is what I'm doing my video editing on. What you can't see is down here below, this is how I switch between different things. So here I'm going to press the button. So hi. And then we can look overhead. And then we can actually even look at the desktop. And if you can look overhead, you can see there's quite a lot of cables here. If we look forward, you can see there is one camera there, and then we go up above, camera up above, and there's our different things there. There's Charlie. And then over here is my rack, and so basically this is where the magic happens. So down here below I have 2 Nooks, a Raspberry Pi 3B and a Raspberry Pi 4. I have a Mac Mini, and I have 2 QNAPs for work. Then up above we have my Raspberry Pi screen that I just made in another video. And there's our KVM switch monitor for all that. And then recording everything is actually a monitor from the Mac Mini. And I have to say, just fooling around with Mac products, I actually really like them a lot. They're pretty elegant. But let's take a look at some of the other stuff I have here. So if we look over here, this is a Chromebook. And so for this Chromebook, what I use it for is to erase disk, because Chromebooks, if you didn't know this, will erase anything if you let it. And then over back in the corner there, right there, I have a Apple TV, which basically I've had forever, and so I'm just using that as a man cave type of thing here. If you want to see down below, basically I have piles of stuff. I have batteries. This is a TV antenna, which I was using for a project that didn't work out. More computers, computer parts, cushions, more computer parts. And so basically I moved all this stuff in my office here over the weekend. And so now I'll be able to make more videos again and able to relax at the same time, which I could not do at work. Anyways, you guys take care of yourself. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Good.